Hi, my name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and today we are here at 10013 Elkhorn Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. The zip code is 76179. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. As you can see, it's a 2-story home here in Fort Worth. The square footage is 2,176, so good size square foot. As you can see, brand new homes in this neighborhood here. And they're still building some homes as well. So everything in here is brand spanking new, and you'll see when you get in there, you can see the sod is still setting in the yard and all those sorts of things. So let's go on in and check it out. One thing to mention, the driveway and garage is on the back side of the house. We'll check that out towards the end of the video. So let's go on and check it out. So you see when we walk in right away, beautiful wood floors here, and they go all throughout the home. The upstairs is carpet aside from the bathroom. But you can see here, very nice and open. And here is our entry area, as you can see here. We do have almost like a dining / entry area here, as you can see, that kind of flows into the living room. The nice thing about these newer homes is they all flow together, as you can see here. So you can really make this one whole area. You can separate these areas. You know, you could make this the dining room and this the living room, or vice versa, or mix them, however you want to do it. Good space in here. As you can see, it opens up to the upstairs up there. You see the stairs that go up, and then we have a bedroom and a bathroom right here. And back around the way, you obviously have the backyard, and then in here is the garage, and then back in here is the master bath, and then there's a laundry area right there. So you can see here we have our kitchen area. Very beautiful kitchen. We have these nice granite countertops. You can see we do have a bar area here for stools and those sort of things. Plenty of outlets in here. You can see that we have stainless steel appliances. So you can see nice fridge there. Lots of cabinet space, as you can see. Stainless steel dishwasher. Gas top oven range right there. Stainless steel microwave with a vent hood. And then we have our pantry closet here. Good size pantry closet. And just a really nice open space here in this home. Like I mentioned, it's nice and open, so it really all just flows together. You'll see here that we have another small kind of nook dining area that you can make into, like I said, a couple of different things. Really, it's just how you want to design it. You will notice that the ceilings are raised, so it makes it feel even bigger than it already is. Let's go ahead and check out the master. Before we get there, I'll go ahead and show you the laundry room. As you can see here, like I mentioned, it's on this back side wall from the kitchen, and it's nice and secluded away from everything. And your garage is right here. So if you wanted to turn this into somewhat of a mudroom, you could. It's not too crazy big in here, but it is bigger than normal. Here we have the master. You'll see that all bedrooms are going to have carpet. As you see, the carpet's been nice and clean. Some foot traction on it, but that's normal. And then heading into the master bathroom, you'll see here we have a nice Jack and Jill sink setup. Couple sinks there. Go back to these nice floors that we saw in the entry. You see we have cabinet space here for towels, toiletries, all sorts of stuff. A nice, beautiful stand-up shower here. Both of the other bathrooms do have bathtubs, so don't worry, you do have other tubs in the home. We have our toilet area here, and it does have an exhaust fan. And then over here, we have a nice walk-in closet. Lots of storage in here, so you can see it kind of backs up over here behind the vanity and stuff like that. So all right, moving on. We're gonna go check out the other downstairs bedroom, and the bathroom, and we'll head up on the stairs. So we'll cut back through here. And one thing to mention, we do have an entry closet here. I meant to show that when we did the entry. It is kind of off to the side here, as you can see, but it's still pretty useful. Here you can see this is going to be one of the bedrooms. Probably you could use this for like an office space, but theoretically speaking, this is a bedroom, and it's the ones upstairs are the same size. So good size bedroom and a good size closet here. As you can see, the double doors. And then here we have our downstairs hall bathroom. You'll notice that the upstairs bathroom has the exact same layout. So on up the stairs, like I mentioned, the stairs are carpet, and on up to the upstairs is all carpet aside from the bathroom. So we'll take a look here, as you can see. Nice, spacious upstairs kind of living area here. Now back this way, we have our other two bedrooms. And like I mentioned, they're going to be this pretty much the same size as the downstairs room we viewed. Got our entry. We have our other bedroom up here. And again, like I mentioned, this is a brand new home. Everything in here is brand spanking new. You can see here in the bathroom, we have those beautiful floors again. And like I said, it's going to be the exact same pretty much setup as the downstairs. But it is a very spacious bathroom. One thing I meant to show y'all on the downstairs one, you do have storage in here. So you have this same closet for the storage here in the bathroom. Downstairs as well. You can kind of see down here into the kitchen and living area. Very, very nice. And even up here, you can see that the ceilings are higher than normal. So let's head back down the stairs. We'll check out that garage space, and then I'll take us out into the backyard. The garage is a 2-car garage. Now I always say, depending on the vehicles you have, you know, if you have 2 really big trucks, it may not work. But if you have a big truck and a small car, or 2 small cars, or a big SUV and a small car, 2 mid-sized SUVs, that's definitely going to fit in here. One thing to take into account is you may store stuff in here. So that's why I usually say 1 to 2 car. Most people will use half the garage for storage and one side for, you know, their actual car space. You'll see too, outside we have a decent sized driveway. One other thing to mention is you do have this space up here to kind of put stuff as well. So we'll head out to the backyard, and I'll show you the garage from this side. Let's go ahead and head out here. Sorry the sun is going to be in our face. It's kind of towards the end of the day, but I'll try and get us the best view we can get here of this covered patio. So you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. Very nice covered patio. It's a good size too. Let me turn this on around here so you can see a little better, but nice covered patio. As you can see here, you can come out, hang out, enjoy the weather before it gets too hot. And also too, when it's storming and thundering out here, you can definitely come and watch the rain. So you can see here, this is kind of what we're dealing with as far as the backyard goes. So some of this is a new sod. So once the rain hits, it'll start growing, it'll start running. And then I did want to show us, there's a back alley back here. And like I mentioned in the very beginning of the video, this is the driveway area. So you'll see back here, we have a nice alley that goes all the way down that way and all the way down this way. And then we have our driveway here. Like I mentioned, you could probably put like 2 vehicles on this side, 2 vehicles on that side. And there's a whole lot of space. So again, we're here at 10013 Elkhorn Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code is 76179. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-story home here. Like I said, everything is brand new. It's almost 2,200 square feet. So lots of space, raised ceilings. So be sure to take a look at the description. There'll be some links down there. One is directly to our website, and then the other one is directly to this property's viewing. And you can look at pictures and apply and even come and view for showing. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.